In this video, I'll guide you through how to send email flows to people of a list in Klaviyo. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or just looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is designed to help you effectively target your subscriber lists with automated email flows. To begin, you'll want to open a flow within Klaviyo. The Flow Builder is your main workspace for creating and managing automated email sequences, also known as flows. This tool is incredibly useful for setting up emails that will be sent out automatically based on certain triggers you define. Once you're in the Flow Builder workspace, your first task is to select a trigger. You'll see a left sidebar panel with various trigger options. For our purposes today, you'll want to click on List. This action sets the foundation for your email flow, indicating that the emails will be triggered by actions related to a specific list of subscribers. After clicking on List, a drop-down menu will appear. It's labeled Choose a List, and this is where you'll select the exact subscriber list you want to target with your flow. It's important to choose the correct list to ensure that your emails are sent to the right audience. Take a moment to review your lists if needed, and select the one that aligns with your campaign goals. Once you've selected your list, you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking on Done. This step locks in your trigger, telling Klaviyo to initiate the email sequence whenever an event related to this particular list occurs. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an email flow to target a specific list in Klaviyo. This process ensures that your communications are precisely targeted, enhancing engagement and providing a more personalized experience for your subscribers. Remember, the key to successful email marketing lies in understanding your audience and delivering content that resonates with them. By targeting specific lists, you're already on the right track to achieving higher open rates and engagement. If you're looking to further customize your flows, consider adding personalized content or experimenting with different triggers to see what works best for your audience. Klaviyo offers a range of tools and analytics to help you refine your strategies and improve your results over time. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your email marketing campaigns. Happy emailing, and I'll see you in the next video.